The world's rainforests help regulate the weather. They affect rainfall, cloud formation, and help to moderate temperature. Trees take in CO2 and release oxygen as they breathe. Genetically modified trees are engineered to contain foreign DNA to give them unnatural characteristics. To kill insects, tolerate toxic herbicides, grow abnormally fast, and alter wood composition. Genetically engineered plants are 20 times more likely to interbreed with related species when compared to traditionally bred plants. The Amazon rainforest produces almost a quarter of the world's oxygen. Genetically modified trees put further pressure on the Amazon by encouraging companies to move deeper into the natural forest and then displace local communities. GM eucalyptus trees grow in a staggering 5.5 years. They are highly susceptible to fire because they are gum trees and can spread the GM seeds for 100 kilometers, endangering indigenous forests. Farmers in the Third World are persuaded to replace their indigenous crops for genetically engineered varieties that are dependent on expensive chemicals and fertilizers. Genetically modified trees threaten native forests, displace local farmers, and destroy sustainable economies. More than 30 million people, including 350 indigenous and ethnic groups, live in the Amazon and depend on nature for agriculture, clothing, and traditional medicines. In Chile, indigenous people are living in extreme poverty. The government offers financial incentives to encourage people to grow trees instead of food. Indonesia represents 10% of the world's remaining rainforests. They have lost up to 80% of its original forest habitat. Indonesia continues to lose 2.5 million hectares a year. That is 5 million football fields. The palm oil industry is the biggest threat to the great red ape. Orangutans will be extinct in less than 10 years unless the devastation is stopped. Deforestation, pollution, and habitat destruction is causing at least 300,000 species worldwide to become extinct. Genetically modified crops will not solve world hunger. The World Food Programme says that the world produces enough to feed the entire global population. Food waste represents a missed opportunity to improve world food security. 2/3 of large-scale land deals in the past decade have been to produce biofuels. This results in less food and denies millions of people access to the land they depend on. The GM industry dismisses scientific reports. No one knows what the long-term effect on our ecosystem or ourselves will be. Please act now before it's too late.